What's up, everybody? So we are working on the 350z today, or I guess tonight, and what we're gonna try to knock out tonight is getting this little dent out. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Right there, there's a little dent right where this scrape is. So what we're gonna do is sand this all off, and then we're gonna prep it for body filler, and we're gonna slap the fat SSR wheels on the 350z and see what they look like. They're here in the back of the truck. So we'll slap these ones on, and maybe if they fit, we'll grab a set for the front as well. So let's get cracking on this 350z because it's pretty late. Let's go! Woo! Alright. Let's get cracking, baby.
This is the end of side 1 of this record. Please now, turn it over for the second side. This is the second side.
Alright, so you can tell it had bodywork before because there's like spot welds all over there, and then I kind of sanded through one, so we just got to re-weld it right there, which is okay. But the reason why I took it up so far is because there was like a thin line of rust that was starting to grow right up here, and so I just took it up until I couldn't see it anymore. So what we're gonna do is, there's a little dent right here. I'll probably do a little spot weld, kind of yank it out, and we'll go from there. Alright, so we got it all sanded up. There was previous body work and it wasn't the best job, so I had to kind of take more or sand away more than I really wanted to. But to make this job right, I had to do it. And so the next step is gonna be to get like body filler and put that in. What we're gonna do right now is gonna slap these TSW wheels off on the rear, and we're gonna put those SSR wheels that are in the back over there. Look at the size difference on these wheels and tires. Holy crap. Here's a little hand to show you the girth of these bad boys. Like, holy crapper. These things are monster truck wheels. let's see if they fit and if they have clearance, and the other TSW wheels are like a lot higher, so that means we might need to do some coilovers on this bad boy. But let's hurry and slap them on. These would look, oh crap, these would look so sick on this car. They do have some poke though, but which kind of looks a little funky. I mean, we could do like a little like fender flares, which would look pretty sick. But yeah, I'm gonna hurry and throw the rest of the lug nuts on, and let's see how it sits. The look, oh my gosh, these would look so sick on this. Like, so much cooler than these TSW wheels. But the only thing I am seeing as of now is look at that gap. That I can fist that, like, oh my gosh. So definite, if I could get some bigger meat with the tires, I could go that way and then get some coilovers as well. Yes, this is like, I love this car because this is the first car that I'm learning all of my body work and painting on, so it's gonna have a soft spot in my heart. Clean up time, baby. And just like that, we are all cleaned up. Yeehaw! All right, so I just barely left the shop. It is 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm pretty tired, and tomorrow I'm going down to St. George pretty early. I don't know how early, maybe not that early, but I'm dead right now. Got like a 20-minute drive, which isn't too bad. Now I'm just rambling because I'm so tired, but we were able to slap on those dope SSR wheels, prep the car for body filler and primer next week that we will be doing and learning together, which will be sick. And you know, I made a couple rookie mistakes tonight with when I was sanding. I accidentally nicked some of the bumper, which I was just too excited to be doing it, and I hit some of that, which sucks, but you know, it's okay, we'll fix it. No big deal. But slapping on those wheels just got me like so excited for how this car is gonna like look in the near future with like coilovers, the same wheels on the front. It's gonna look sick. Thank you for watching the video, especially if you made it this far. I will see you on the next video.